what's going on, guys? My name is Bradley W. I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to make some passive income here through cloud mining with the Pi network. So what we want to do is you want to go ahead and jump on your phone. This is a mobile app. Cool. So once you're on your phone, you want to go ahead and go on to the Play Store, or if you're on iPhone, go ahead and go on to the App Store. Up the top here, we can type in Pi and you see Pi network. We're going to go ahead and install that. Installs. So yeah, the same steps can be followed on any iOS device as well. Alright, cool. So we can click open. Just let it load. Cool. So now we can see we can continue with Facebook or a phone number. I'm going to do Facebook in this video. I'm going to click there. We're going to continue. We'll wait for that load. Cool. Now we see the Pi logo here. It just means it's loading or initializing. Wait for that. Cool. So now you see first, last name, and you can choose a username. So I'm just going to use username here. Click submit. Again, we want to wait for it to load. All right, awesome. So invitation code. Now here you want to type in Bradley W. So BRADLYW, and that's going to activate your account and allow you to mine with the cloud. Alright, cool. So we're in. Now, it's going to run you through a little tutorial of its own. So if you just want to follow through the prompts that it shows you, gives you like a little tour. Yeah, next. Rolls. Cool. So I've already done all of the tutorial and stuff like that, but I recommend you guys read over the tutorials and have a look at the ranks and stuff like that. As you can see, we are mining Pi. So 1.0013 Pi. So you can see we're going to make 0.2 Pi an hour, and it's about 16 cents per Pi. So passive income, and easy as that. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and also turn on notifications. Peace.